Friends not good for you, girl. But I know I'm the hard way. I'm not
Me not diss nobody at all. Ongo for years, search your feelings a class me. A class me and I bring me down. Me call Spice. Me call her, me say Gracie, what the problem? Me tell her. Me say me hear the man say me a ya fuck. I will laugh. Spice, me call Spice this December 14, 10:35 and Spice answer me. When she answer me, she said, TC, me say Gracie. See you me so me not always talk. So what your feelings are talk about? What your feelings are say? Nobody at all. I mean I ask no question, no girl, no boy. Pan this can come to them here say TC say Spice head big or foot little, whatever. No boy no girl, I mean I ask and beat my chest with that. How rich your feelings are gonna say me talk the most? Well, if I true me tell Alice I tell Spice the things them then fine. I don't have a problem. I see the things I'm on the internet and I tell her. Spice know me. Spice no know nobody else. Spice know me. If Spice no know nobody else, Spice know me. Spice know me not troublesome. She know that me not troublesome. So when Spice sit down and make Richie feelings come on the internet and do this, God knows Spice. Never know. Never know. You don't know. You don't know. She could have this me she could have this me come Spice I got this me and tell me. Where Spice I got this me and tell me. Cause deep down Spice deep down in her heart she know. Any hours a night Spice can call me. Any hours. Me a girl when Spice there, when they pan shoe and them thing there. Cause me just attack. I reach your feelings, say we not loyal. I never work for another artist yet. 4 years. I work with Spice for 4. Never work for another artist yet. Never. If we go nowhere, and the depend shoes, if Spice makeup, if she sweat and the makeup I run off, my always say Gracie not take no picture. Your makeup. We fix her ear. Everything with her. Everything. Everything. We we have a group chat. Gracie, we have a group chat. You know this. We have a group chat and you can come and you can talk. If you want to come and you class way. If you want to come class way, you class way. But don't make Richie feelings. Come on the internet, come and say certain things. You hear me I tell you no? $2,000 night. Nah, go say, I'm not complain. Cause it better than nothing. Sit down, I yard and not do nothing. But take it. No, no problem. Hurt me to my heart. The one comment to me say, what everybody a screenshot, what Spice say, is that ungrateful. Nothing Spice we ever say in a life no hurt me so. Cause me and you know that is not true. Me and you know it's not true. But now bring down nobody. But now bring down nobody more than me attack. Richie feelings say Spice give money through COVID. Nothing no go so. Any money me get through COVID, work my work feet. Look at hustling for Instagram. So we go through. You hear me I tell you no? Any money we me get from Spice through COVID, we work. Spice came to Jamaica and do video shoot and pay us. We work. You hear me I tell you no? But now I have nothing bad to say about Gracie because she wasn't a bad lady to me. She wasn't a bad lady to me. So I now go come right and sit down and bring her down when I know she wasn't a bad person to me. My phone all got dead. One thing I gotta tell you now. Father God sit high and him look low. Remember me tell you now. God not sleep here. Reach your feelings. You win. You come. And you bring down. You come and you bring down. Everybody know how me stay. If me say it, say it. If me don't say it, me don't say it. Every night when they are road, everybody can attest, cause everybody see. Everybody they are road and everybody see the work what we put in. From 2016 up till now, everybody see the work. Everybody. So what kind of ungrateful? What kind of ungrateful if I'm ungrateful? Spice, me could fight for the world. We'll get to money, we won't forget to money. So what the problem? What is the matter? What the matter? What the problem? Gracie, you could have come deal with this like a boss. You could have come deal with this like a boss. Because we have a group chat. And baddest things, Gracie, when you have a relationship where we can talk. We have a group chat. Me and you have a different chat. Where we can talk. The pay was $2,000. Then when danger came off, the pay raised to $3,000 a night. And we out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We don't go Friday and Saturday, and we're back again Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, off again. Friday, Saturday, back again. Sunday, gone again. And this everybody did want to see. And this everybody did want to see. Everybody did want to see it. And you give it to them, Gracie. You give it to them. Because this could have deal with better. Remember, everybody say you can't keep dancing this, you can't keep dancing that. And nobody will come round you. Don't stay. I'm there around you for 4 years. Me not tell no lie. Me da look for 1 5 and 1 6 and 1 7. Me not tell no lie. But what? This could have deal with better. This could have deal with better, Gracie. You could have called me and talk. What is me here? You wanna chat me, whatever. If you want class, we class in private. But for make Richie feelings come and bring me down on the net and say we're not loyal and this and that and Gracie, you know. You know me a girl, me not watch no face. And any money you pay me, me take it. No matter how rich you be. You know that. You know that, Gracie. Say you come up on my phone and say, TC, me not lie now. Me have 5 grand, come do that work here for me. Or TC, me have that amount of money, come do this to me. You know me, I come do it. So when you go when Richie feelings are come and talk on live and I say all kind of things. You know say nothing to we will have a group chat only for look when me type in Team Spice, me say Spice overseas left. You know talk to we. You know talk to we. Spice overseas left. I'm a hunger say Richie feelings. They on them big fat ass with them long breasts. A style way. Just a style way out of the blues. And you have everybody number. You have everybody number. You know, come to we, talk, class we, in our group chat, bring we down, talk anything, but the media, this them didn't want to say. See then, wanna get it. Wanna get it. not ungrateful. I'm grateful for everything. I'm grateful for everything. You make me travel the world, I'm grateful. You pay me my money, I'm grateful. If I not get no money, I have for me tell you, say, alright, Gracie, me do the show for you. Me no see it. Me no them type of people, yeah. Me no them type of people, yeah. Nights up and nights we na dance. We have to stay up till Monday still about 4 o'clock till for boom boom for play a song. Cause if the song no play, we don't have no content for post. And we have to stay at the dance them till morning. For song play when sleep I kill we will lean up. When I talk about Richie, where you talk about loyalty? Where were you? Where were you, Richie? When we have to lean up in the dance cause sleep kill me. Where you did there? Fast, you see?
Good night. Hey, love it.
Where were you? No, never did that. See, you did that in a Richie, but you're in your bed asleep. When you out a road a roll. When you're there a road a lick up your back. You lie down by your big fluffy self. Hey, it's Fed Albert. You lie down in your bed when we there road a roll. So we are talk about. But everything good. Richie said Team Spice mash up. We spice all the best. She go fair ways.